Join me as I delve deep into Neanderthal's biggest mystery and see if I can solve it before 2024. Get ready to enter the fascinating world of our ancient cousins, the Neanderthals, a species that has fascinated humans for centuries. From their rough physical appearance to their fascinating behavior, there's so much we want to know about these mysterious creatures. And today we're going to do just that. We're going to explore the latest research, debunk long-standing myths, and uncover a groundbreaking discovery that will change all our assumptions about them. Scientists have recently discovered a mysterious and isolated Neanderthal population in France. There are few discoveries in the world of paleogenetics that spark as much curiosity as a well-preserved Neanderthal genome. One such treasure is the DNA of the French Neanderthal specimen known as Thorin. Ever since the first Neanderthal bones were discovered, people have been wondering about these ancient hominins. How are they different from us? How similar are they to us? Did our ancestors mix with them? Fought them? Loved them? The recent discovery of a group called Denisovans, a Neanderthal-like group that inhabited Asia and Oceania, has raised many questions of its own. Now, an international team of geneticists and AI experts is adding entirely new chapters to our shared hominin history. Led by Professor Joshua Akey of Princeton's Lewis Sigler Institute for Integrative Genomics, the researchers have found a history of genetic interbreeding and exchange that suggests a much closer relationship between these early human groups than previously thought. This is the first time that geneticists have identified multiple waves of modern human Neanderthal admixture, said Liming Li, a professor in the Department of Medical Genetics and Developmental Biology at Southeast University in Nanjing, China, who conducted this work as an associate research scholar in Ake's lab. This opens a window to understanding the complex population dynamics of Neanderthals across Europe. We are going to investigate his ancestry further and find out where his population possibly comes from, what happened to them, and even whether you could be related to Thorin. Thorin's Neanderthal DNA has recently been sequenced with surprising clarity, revealing that he belonged to a unique subpopulation genetically distinct from other Neanderthal groups. This isolation appears to have spanned a long time. Neanderthal groups, especially compared to Homo sapiens whose flexible social structures and communication skills made them more adaptable to modern humans, had advanced tools, communication methods, and social strategies that allowed them to access resources and to make more informed decisions. This efficiency allowed them to exploit the environment more efficiently and adapt quickly to environmental changes. As Slimek notes that this efficiency made a big difference in survival strategies. Where Neanderthals relied on their close-knit groups and well-developed physical abilities, Homo sapiens used innovation, symbolic communication, and social organization. Meanwhile, Thorin's group represents the last branch of Neanderthals who lived in Europe's harshest climates. So, as we reach the end of this journey, let's take a moment to recap the key points we've discussed. We've explored misconceptions about Neanderthals, delved into the latest research, and uncovered a groundbreaking discovery that changes everything. It's time to think again about our place in the world, to recognize that we're not as different from our ancient cousins as we used to think. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of Neanderthals. If you have any thoughts on this revelation, please share them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about human evolution, don't miss my next video, where we'll dive into the latest research on early human migration.